In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom forms on Wix, a task you can accomplish in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and transform your Wix site into an interactive and engaging platform using custom forms. To kick things off, you'll need to create a Wix account if you haven't already, or simply log into your existing account. Once you're in, navigate to your existing project, or, if you're starting fresh, create a new site. Now, you're ready to add that customized touch. You'll begin by directing your attention to the intuitive toolbar on the left side of your screen. Look for the plus button, which signifies Add Elements. Give that a click, and you'll open up a menu with various options that can enrich your site. From this menu, select the Contacts and Forms category. This will take you to a selection of ready-made forms that Wix has thoughtfully crafted. Feel free to browse through these options. Each form is designed to suit a different purpose, whether you're looking to gather contact information, sign up users for a newsletter, or even collect RSVPs for an event. After picking the form template that best fits your needs, drag it onto the page where you want it positioned. You can always adjust its placement later, but getting it roughly where you want it initially helps streamline the process. Once the form is in place, it's time to make it your own by customizing the fields. You might want to add or remove fields, change their order, or perhaps modify the wording to better suit your audience. Customizing these fields ensures that you only collect the information you really need, thus helping you keep your data organized and relevant. Next, we'll dive into setting up the form submissions. Head to the settings area of the form, where you'll specify what happens once a visitor submits their information. You can set notifications to be sent to an email address of your choice, or perhaps prompt an automatic message to thank the user for their submission. It's a small step that can make your visitors feel acknowledged and appreciated. Finally, it's time to style your form to match the rest of your website. Click through the design options and make adjustments to fonts, colors, and sizes. This is your chance to ensure that the form is not only functional, but also visually consistent with the rest of your site. It reflects your brand identity and complements your design. Once you're satisfied with how the form looks and functions, remember to click on Save to ensure that all your changes are stored. This step is crucial so you don't lose any of your hard work. And that's it. You've just added a custom form to your Wix site. With these forms, you're well on your way to turning engagement into meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.